If you're looking for some gummies to help you with your vision, definitely check out Nature's Craft. So this is their vision support gummies. This was given to me by them as a sample, so thank you so much, Nature's Craft. I apologize. So there's 60 gummies in here. This is the container. You can see the ingredients and the supplement information on the side. So there you go. So they taste great. I already tried one before starting this video. So this is what they look. Let me show you what they look like inside. That's what they look like. They're really good. They're tasty. It's like a little candy. So I don't know if I already took one, but this is number two. So you're supposed to take two a day. So I took one. That was two. But yeah, so they taste good. I like them. I use reading glasses, so hopefully these will help me out. But yeah, overall, looking forward to it. Check out Nature's Craft, check out the Vision Gummies, and hope you enjoy it.